Right, hi boys and girls. It's been quite a long time since I did a video for you, so here we go. I saw a lesson on BBC Bitesize just this morning, and it was all about structures, and I thought, well, do you know what, I can do that. I can do a lesson on structures for my 4RS children. So here we go. The only thing, well, there's two things that you'll need for this lesson. One is lots and lots of bits of paper. Not quite sure whether you've got bits of paper. And another thing is sticky tape or sellotape. If you haven't got tape, then you can use something like glue, Pritt stick or something like that. But it's not quite so quick. So ideally, some sort of tape. Now, start off, I'm sure some of you might remember this because I think we did this right at the beginning of the year. Start off, what you need to do is just make lots and lots of tubes. Okay, now it doesn't matter which way you roll the paper, so long as you roll all the bits of paper the same way. And then sticky tape and just like that. Okay, they don't have to be fantastically neat, tidy. Can you see that? There we go. Now I've made quite a lot of these already, so I think the best thing for you to do is make lots and lots and lots, and then you can think about the structure. So I'm going to press pause now on my camera. Make as many of those as you can, and then come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do for the next step. Okay, so pause. Okay, so here we are again. Hope you've made quite a few tubes. Pardon me. Now, next step is to join the tubes together. So as you can see, I've joined two there. Now that's not going to make any kind of structure whatsoever. Join the tubes end to end. So the way you do that is by putting a piece of sellotape down one tube and then fold it over, just flip it over so that it goes down the other tube, okay? And then the last step is to join these two ends together. What we're looking for are triangles, boys and girls. Triangles are a very, very strong structure. Okay, so there we go. We've got a structure now. That's fairly strong, but as you can see, it's quite flat. So what I need to do is to build this up so that it's more of a 3D shape. Okay, so once again, I'm going to press pause, give you an opportunity to build up your triangles, and then start to build up your 3D shape, and then I'll show you what I can do as well. Okay, here we are again. So what I've done now is I've drawn, well, it looks like I've joined two triangles together, but actually this piece is belongs to both triangles, if you get what I mean. So there, that's, come back a bit, that was the original triangle, and I've just stuck these two bits on top. Once again, the way you stick together is you just push a piece of sticky tape down both sides, okay, and then flop it over. Now this is, as you can see, that's no good at all. That's not a structure at all because it has no strength. So the final triangle, or the final connection rather, I need, oops, is, get in there, that goes there, and I need another tube, that goes there. Okay, so it's beginning to look like something which might be able to be strong. It goes in there, and whoops, that's not very good. And then that goes over on that side. No, yes. Okay. Now the thing with this is, because it's only using paper, it's not like it's a very expensive resource. So if it doesn't work, then just sort of start again. Just throw that one away, recycle it, obviously, but then you can start again. Okay, so now we've got something which is beginning, whoops, that's just broken, is beginning to look as if it could actually be a structure. And I think really what I'm not really going to take this very much further. All I will do is just set you a challenge. Well, probably 2 or 3 challenges really. The first is see who can make the biggest structure. So that means how many rolls of paper did you use? So that's 1 roll of paper. So on mine, I've used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've used 6 so far. So that's not going to win any prizes, because I'm sure some of you out there will be able to use 20 or 30 rolls of paper. I don't know. So that's the first challenge. How many rolls? Second challenge. How tall can the structure be, or how wide, or how long, how deep? Okay, so get a meter rule. Is it bigger than 30 centimeters? The rulers that we use in our classroom. Is it bigger than a meter stick? Is it bigger than 2 meters? We're all getting familiar with 2 meters, or we have been over the last couple of months. So size, and then finally a challenge which is, can you use it as a bridge between two tables, or between 2 chairs, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to press pause, and then I'm going to show you a little bit more about the bridge. Okay, so this is my structure, and I'm going to see, so what you can hopefully see is there's the original structure, and then I've added these 2 bits on the edge. And what I want to do, if I move back a bit, is I want to make it as a bridge between the 2 chairs. So imagine there's a great big river running between those 2. So let's just see, if I put that there, and I put that there, well, that's not very good at all. It's completely collapsed. So I'm sure some of you will have spotted. Let's just do that in slow motion. So if we just let that go slowly. Now think about what's moving, and think about how we can prevent those bits from moving. Okay, I'll press pause again, and then we'll see. Right, so I've added, there we go, I've added a little sticky thing there. That's an extra piece in the structure. So if I put that there, and then no, it's still going to collapse. So I think you all knew that that was going to collapse. So one more thing, I just need to make one more joint, and then get the bridge working. Just one moment. Okay, now it's a much better, much stronger bridge. Now the way we can improve this is by making it wider, so therefore I need to add on additional structures on this side and on this side. I could also make it a bit stronger so that it can support quite a strong weight. Now I'm pushing down on this quite a lot, and it's not bad actually. It's staying there fairly well. So that's the challenge. Build a bridge between two chairs. Remember, the basic materials you need are just paper, lots and lots of paper, and some sticky tape. Once you've done this, take photos, and if you can also maybe take a video of the final structure and you testing the structure as well, that will be excellent. Okay, good luck with the challenge. Bye bye.